Today I'm going to tell you how to recover a disabled or suspended Facebook account. If you're using Facebook and you're facing the issue that you're unable to access your account was disabled or was suspended. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just open Facebook and just search for Facebook spot. Once you are here, you have to click on account recovery. Open this section here. Now just scroll down and you will see the option of my account is suspended or disabled. Just select this. And here you will see the option of appeal a suspension. Like to appeal a suspension, you just have to log into your Facebook account and you have a limit that you can try to appeal in almost 180 days once your account is suspended. Or if your account has some more days of suspension, like more than 180 days, so now you're unable to appeal your suspension. Or if your account was disabled, so if you don't appeal within 180 days and or if your appeal is unsuccessful, your account will be permanently disabled, so you won't be able to request another review of the decision. So once your account is disabled, now you're unable to get your account back. Or if your account might be disabled, so sometime it worked for you. You just have to try to log in with the same account details or login details. You can try to log in with your account. Once you have logged in, your account might be enabled again. It will also work in mostly cases. But if your account is disabled after suspension, so you're unable to get your account back. So in this way, you can easily recover if your account is suspended or is disabled. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.